Hi everyone, today I will show you what is the first step in completing a jigsaw puzzle. As you can see here, this is the application that I use to play jigsaw puzzle. So as you can see here, the right side here are the themes that you can choose to play, and here is the puzzle. I'm going to choose Osaka Castle, Japan. This side is the puzzle's pieces that you will have to complete. So, the first step you need to do is completing the puzzle's frame. The right side, up, left side, and down here. So the first is completing the frame puzzles. So you will have to choose puzzles from this side. As you can see here, this is the corner puzzle, and this here is the pieces for the frame down here. So you just simply put at the frame of the puzzles. Next, choose any corner that you would like to start first. Then arrange the puzzles according to their shapes and color. So I would like to start from this corner first. Now we're done on the upper side of the frame. So now we are done with the frame of the puzzles. So the next step will be completing this part here. So the puzzle pieces that you will be looking for is according to their shapes and also color. Thanks for watching!